It begins. What do I really want in life? Is it financial freedom, or just to make money, or to affect life positively? It's a very important question. What do you really want in this life? Until you know what you want, until you know where you want to be in life, you cannot start or you cannot do anything. You just be passing through life. It takes those that know what they want in life before they could really have impact in life. Am I willing to conquer fear? Fear has been the greatest challenge in humanity. Human tends to fear a lot. We tend to fear a lot. So are you willing to conquer fear? Because once you have conquered fear in any aspect of your life, is it in business or in academy, in whatever you want to do in life, if you are able to conquer fear, that means you can conquer every other thing. Because the greatest force stopping you from reaching your destination, from reaching your dreams, your goals and aspiration in life is fear. So I want to ask you, are you willing, am I willing to conquer fear in this year and beyond? Am I willing to conquer or eliminate excuses? Once you have taken a decision, excuses will always come. Excuses not to do this. A lot of us will make excuses like, I don't have time, I'm busy, there's no money, this and that. Those are the excuses. Until you are ready to eliminate excuses in your life, until you are disciplined enough to take decision on not to be giving yourself excuses, then you won't succeed in life. I read a book by Brian Tracy, No More Excuses. That book talks about discipline. So until you discipline yourself enough to say no to some certain things, no to excuses, then you will not succeed in life. Am I willing to take risk? My mentor in business, Robert Kiyosaki, will always say that risk takers are the one that wins in life. So until you are decided to take risk, calculated risk, is it in business or to make money or whatever, until you are ready to take risk, you won't succeed in life. You won't be financially free. Even in life, even in academics, if you don't take risk of staying late at night, you won't get to where you want to get to. It is risk that will give you the edge above your excuses. So get out and take the needed and calculated risk. Am I willing to work hard? Without work, you can't achieve success. Without work, you can't eat. So until you get out there and work hard, you won't achieve the desired lifestyle. One of the greatest questions you need to ask yourself in the beginning of 2020 is that, am I willing to work hard? A lot of us, we don't want to work hard, but we want to make money. You don't want to work hard, but you want to succeed. Without sacrifice, without work, you can't succeed. Success will only come when you work hard, when you are determined to work smartly, or basically you need to work. You need to give out something. Before God blesses Abraham, Abraham has to give out a sacrifice, a willing sacrifice before he was blessed. It is the work that you do, the energy that you put in, that will help you get to where you want to get to in this year and beyond. So, am I willing to learn? It's a question that is necessary for us to ask ourselves in this year 2020. Because learners are winners, readers are leaders. Life is a teacher. The more you live, the more you learn. In the school of learning, there is no graduate, because the more you learn, the more you get to know that there is more things that you need to learn. The more you know things, the more you get to know that there are more things you need to know. How many books do you want to read? How far have you educated yourself? Have you developed yourself? Go out there and learn something new every day that is related to your passion in life, that will take you to where you want to get to in life. Am I willing to block doubt and distractions? That's another important question we need to ask ourselves. Because once you have started, doubt will come, obstacles will come, distractions will come. It might come from your closest ally, your friends, your family members, or what have you. But until you are determined to block those doubts, to block those distractors. Now, a true measure of success is not the amount of money you have in your bank account, nor is it the amount of properties you've acquired, but it's about the obstacles, the odds that you have been able to overcome in life. Get out there and face your doubt, your distractors. Block them so that they won't hinder you from you getting to where you want to get to in life. Am I willing to change rather than blaming? I have come to learn in life that most persons, they love blaming others for their mistakes or for their failures. But until when you wake up to change instead of blaming others. True failure is someone who blames other people for their failures. But until you stand up and change and accept that yes, this is my fault, then you won't get to where you want to get to in life. Instead of blaming others for the things that are happening to you, change your lifestyle, change your character, change your attitude, change that thing that you are doing now that is not giving you the results that you want. It is change. So instead of blaming, that will take you to your destination in life. Am I willing to accept responsibility? A true definition of adulthood is what? Responsibility. So until you are able to take responsibility for your actions, for the things that you are doing, then you are not ready to change. So in this year 2020, I urge you to take responsibility of your actions. No matter the outcome of your action, take responsibility. Take responsibility of your success, your finances at your workplace, in your private business, or whatever it is. I urge you to take responsibility. Am I willing to start now or take action now? Until you take action, you won't get to where you are going. And before I got to this place, I took a step of faith, moving down to this place. It is my moving down to this place that brought me to here. First of all, you should know where you want to get to in life. Then secondly, take a step of faith. When you plan and put everything in order, then you take an action, because it is the action that you take that will take you to where you want to be in life. So one of the questions you need to ask yourself in the year 2020 is that, am I willing to start now, or am I willing to take the needed or the necessary action? Take action, and then you will get to where you want to get to in life. Should you have any questions, suggestions, or anything about this video, about me, or anything else, please drop it at the comment section of this video. Do well to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video with someone if you love what we are doing. Thanks for always being there. We love you. God bless you. See you next time.